So we're gonna unboxing this thing.
Basta na sakali,
So this is
meron nakakarinig
my
sa mga kasama ko at sasabihin nila, mali naman ang sinasabi mo, tumurag sila rito. Kaya mo na
So I'm gonna
Yes, sir.
That's so
Ito pa rin. Yes, yung Eric Yap ba?
Oh my gosh! That's so cute now. I got it. Now, okay, this is the. So I really want this green and or the bunny. So let's do it. Come here.
Oh, ganina. Oh,
Okay, what's this?
saka yun.
What's this? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Tagalan mo, daghanan ni magkuhan ay bag na siya.
Dili.
Anak lang labubong. Kumaw na lang labo. Kusam din na lagugo.
Dili lagi ni.
Lagugo.
Lagugo. And the card. Ay, no.
Ikis raman siya lang.
No.
Kiss.
Banga. And
Ah,
also they had a card. And this is so this is the final result of this. So this one I get the purple thing, the purple. So this is the
dah, wapagay na ka. Una na po lagi day kay bag.
bag.
Manang ay, ana reday na.
And so this is
Mga pulan na po na.
one. So cute. And it's not so good. Look at that boo-boo, but it's not really boo-boo. Now this is one. These two. Last yeah. So bye guys.